Infosys. Yes, the second biggest IT company is going to be delivering its Q1 numbers today. What can we expect from it? Well, Rio's running you through the key numbers. First up, dollar revenue is seen at $2,852 million. This is indicating a sequential uptick of about 1.7%. Rupee revenue is seen at 19,473 crore rupees, showing an uptick of 7.6% versus the previous quarter. EBIT finally is expected to just be about sluggish at 4,634 crore rupees, which will lead to a bit of compression in the EBIT margins from 24.7% in the previous quarter to 23.8%. And the adjusted net profit, well, just a growth of 1.13% on a sequential basis at 3,731 crore rupees. Most of the growth that will be seen on the constant currency revenue front will be volume-led. That's the expectation. And naturally, there is going to be that cross-currency adverse impact of 100 basis points that's likely. The EBIT margin decline may be on account of wage revision, on visa costs, but in turn, it may be partially offset on account of the weakness that we have witnessed in the rupee for the last couple of weeks. So yes, that is something on a net-net basis that will cause the EBIT margin to be lower by 90 basis points. When it comes to the revenue guidance, in all probability, most on the street are expecting that Infosys is likely to maintain that 6 to 8% constant currency revenue growth for the next year. But it may cut the USD revenue outlook to 6 to 8% from 7 to 9%. And again, even the EBIT margin guidance could be maintained in that 22 to 24% band. So it's only the dollar revenue guidance that one may want to watch out for. But the other factors to watch out for, remember, TCS had delivered an excellent outlook when it came to the BFSI vertical. And that's what we want to watch out for even for Infosys. What did the BFSI vertical do? What did the retail vertical do as well? What has been the performance of digital as well as the top accounts too would want to be watched out for, along with large deal TCVs. What's the development in digital? And of course, even the demand picture in BFSI is all that we would have on our radar.
Well, it's Infosys today and a couple of other IT big boys lined up over the next few days. So let's hear out from top market experts what they are expecting in terms of performance in Q1 from the tech sector.
If you see, there are few sectors which had been laggard in the previous years, like the defensives of the world, like the IT, healthcare. They have now started contributing a lot. So we are seeing IT. As you rightly put in for TCS, they have now reporting a good healthy double-digit PAT growth. So that should help the overall earnings scenario in FY19.
I think it's not. It's very difficult to compare what TCS has done and whether Infosys will be able to replicate that. But a large element in terms of what the management had spoken specifically for Infosys and their 4 key pillars in driving growth.